Okay, so this box came today, and it's pretty cool. It says here on the top, the new West has arrived. I've been waiting for this for a while, actually. Interesting looking box. Wow. That's cool. Nice little gun bag. I always read about these being very covered in oil. They're made in Italy by Uberti, and it is made out of all steel. So when they manufacture them and then ship them here, they are slathered in oil, and you can really see it. So this is what they call an 1858 Remington black powder pistol. It's really a Remington new model Army. This one is made by Uberti, and it came from Taylor's and Company. This is the 5.5-inch barrel version. I just gave it a quick clean, wipe down to get some of the oil off. It's a really nice looking piece. I can't wait to get it loaded up and take it to the range. But it really needs to be taken apart and all the parts soaked real good and cleaned because of all the oil and manufacturing residue that's left in there. I don't want it to get in the powder or mess anything up. So yeah, it's a .44 caliber black powder pistol, and Taylor's and Company says they inspect each one before they send them out. They take a look at them, make sure they're right. They sell quality products, and so far this thing is hefty. It looks like it's really well made. The fit and finish is very nice on it. The grips are fitted. My quick once over, taking it apart and wiping the oil off, cleaning out the nipples on the back here. It looks great. So my first impression is it's very nice. I'm going to try and clean it tonight and take it to the range tomorrow. Technically, this is a gun my dad wanted. He always wanted to have a black powder pistol, and neither one of us ever did. And my dad's not a gun guy, but he's having some health issues and decided, hey, let's order that thing now and get me to clean it up and take care of it for him, and then just take him to the range and shoot it. So that's what we're going to do. I think it's a beauty. Taylor's and Company, they did a really nice job packaging it up. You saw in the box it comes with a bag. They were pretty easy to deal with, especially during this pandemic when everything's back ordered or out of stock. I like it. I'm sure you'll see more posts about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.